Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be showing you how to reset your PC to factory settings for Windows 10. So you might want to do this if you're selling your PC or recycling your computer and you want to completely remove everything from your PC, like your files, photos, videos, etc. Or if you are experiencing problems with your PC and you've tried other methods to solve the problems, but it's failed to work. And the last resort is to use factory settings to fix PC issues. Okay, the first thing you want to do is click on the Windows button, in the left hand corner. Click on Settings, which is this button here, and then click on the Update and Security and click on Recovery. So here it says you can reset your PC to keep personal files or remove them. So click on Get Started, and here it gives you the option either to keep your files or remove everything. So choosing this will literally remove all your personal files, apps and all your settings, and restore your PC from scratch. And this is the one we are going to select. So as I mentioned before, if you're selling on your PC or giving it away, you need to select Remove Everything to protect yourself, really. Click Remove Everything. It now gives you more options to either remove just your files if you are keeping your PC, or remove files and clean the drive, which will take a few hours, but will make it harder for someone to recover your files if you get rid of your PC. And I'm just going to plug in my charger as it's low on battery. In this case, we are going to click on Remove Files and Clean the Drive. So it's now ready to reset this PC, and it gives you a list of what will be removed. So it will remove all files and any accounts, apps and programs that didn't come with your PC. It will also remove all your settings as well that you made to the PC. Okay, click on Reset. It's now installing Windows. I'm just going to speed up the process as it will be boring.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
It's now telling me I can either use my voice or keyboard to assist me along the way, but I'll stick with the keyboard. I'm going to select my location and language. You will need to sign into your broadband here. So I'm just going to sign into my broadband and click Next. Agree to Windows 10 license. Enter a password to sign into your PC. For extra security, you can use your face to sign in, or you can use a PIN, or you can just use a password. You can link your phone as well to your PC, and I'll just skip this for now. Here it tells you can send your files to the cloud to free up storage space on your PC. I'll skip this as well. Make Cortana your personal assistant. No, thank you. Do more with your voice. No, thanks. Let Microsoft use your location. No, thanks. Find my device. No, thanks. Send diagnostic data to Microsoft. Just the basics. Improve inking, typing, recognition. No thanks, and no thanks to that as well. And no thanks to advertising ID. Oh, when's it gonna end? You can protect your PC by registering it, which I don't want to do, so I'm just going to uncheck all the boxes and click next. Okay, I think I'm done. Yeah, that's all done. It has literally reset my PC to factory settings, removing everything from my computer, and I can now sell or give my computer away or start from fresh. So all that's left to do is set my security to protect myself from any viruses. Some PCs already have this installed on their computer when they first purchase the PC, but I think mine has expired, so I'm just going to purchase another one. Okay, so the next thing to do is click on updates and security from your settings, and here it will show you any updates for your PC that you can download, and it looks like I'm up to date with that. Okay, that's it. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please leave a like and don't forget to click on the notification bell to see more videos. Also, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This has been How to Not To. Thanks for watching.